Welcome to the final module of the PageFly course. You've done it. Congratulations on completing the course. You now have a solid foundation for building and publishing stunning pages with PageFly. In this course, you've learned key skills that will help you design high-converting, visually appealing pages in your Shopify store. Let's take a quick look at the skills you've mastered. Building pages using templates, configuring elements, responsive design, advanced features. Before we conclude, let's review some resources that will help you continue your learning journey with PageFly. Need help fast? Live chat support is available to answer your questions in real time. Reach out whenever you need assistance with your pages or Shopify store. You can access live chat support through our website or in-app. The Help Center is your go-to source for detailed articles, step-by-step tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Let's unlock your creativity and take your web design skills to the next level with PageFly Academy. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, here we will help you master the art of building stunning, high-converting pages. Remember, your learning doesn't stop here. Keep exploring PageFly's features and experimenting with different design options to elevate your store. Thank you for completing the course. You now have the tools to build beautiful, high-converting pages for your store. Good luck with your PageFly projects, and we look forward to seeing your store thrive.